In the bustling heart of today's cities, the modern urban apartment often serves as a multifunctional sanctuary. As floor plans become increasingly compact, urbanites turn to minimalist design to cultivate a sense of calm and order. Yet, the true potential of a pared-down aesthetic is only realized when paired with thoughtful illumination. Without strategic light, a minimalist space risks feeling flat and uninviting. The solution lies in the versatile nature of light-emitting diode (LED) technology. Curating the best minimalist LED lighting setup for small urban apartments is not merely about brightening a room. It is about utilizing light as an invisible architectural element that defines space, highlights texture, and influences mood, all while strictly adhering to the less is more philosophy. The illusion of space, uplighting, and wall washing. One of the greatest challenges in a small apartment is combating the feeling of confinement. Minimalist design tackles this by reducing physical clutter, but LED lighting takes this a step further by eliminating visual boundaries. Traditional lighting often casts shadows downward, which can inadvertently lower the perceived ceiling height. Conversely, implementing LED uplighting creates a profound optical illusion. By placing low-profile LED floor fixtures or hiding light strips behind low furniture to cast light upward, the ceiling is bathed in a soft glow, making it appear to recede and granting the room an expansive feel. Similarly, wall washing, achieved by placing linear LED lights close to the wall to graze the surface, flattens out shadows and draws the eye outward, maximizing the perceived square footage of the apartment. Ditching bulky fixtures for architectural integration. In a strictly minimalist environment, large, ornate light fixtures are counterproductive. They act as heavy visual anchors that disrupt clean sight lines. The ultimate minimalist LED lighting setup relies heavily on architectural integration, where the light source is built directly into the structure. Recessed LED downlights are champions of this approach. Modern trimless recessed lights blend perfectly into the ceiling, providing powerful ambient illumination without hanging down into the living space. For spaces where recessed lighting is structurally impossible, ultra-slim LED track lighting systems offer a sleek alternative. Finished in matte white or black, these low-voltage tracks provide highly directional light that can be aimed precisely where needed, maintaining a clean aesthetic without introducing unnecessary bulk. Creating zones without walls through strategic illumination. Modern urban apartments often feature open-concept layouts where the kitchen, dining, and living areas share a single continuous space. While this promotes flow, it can lead to a chaotic visual experience if not properly defined. Rather than using physical dividers like screens or bulky rugs, you can use a minimalist LED lighting setup to create distinct zones within an open floor plan. A linear LED suspension pendant over a dining table instantly anchors that specific area, signaling its purpose. In the living area, a strategically placed architectural LED floor lamp with a slender profile creates an intimate reading nook. In the kitchen, under-cabinet LED strips define the culinary workspace. By adjusting these discrete light sources, you seamlessly transition the function of your apartment throughout the day, maintaining clarity without erecting a single wall. The importance of color rendering index (CRI) in minimalism. While color temperature is frequently discussed, another crucial metric often goes overlooked: the color rendering index (CRI). CRI measures how accurately a light source reveals the true colors of objects compared to natural sunlight. In a minimalist apartment, the material palette is usually restrained, relying heavily on subtle textures and natural tones like raw wood, polished concrete, matte leathers, and woven linens. If you use low CRI LED lights, these carefully chosen materials will appear dull or washed out. To truly elevate your space, your minimalist LED lighting setup should utilize bulbs and strips with a CRI of 90 or higher. High CRI LEDs ensure that the subtle grain of an oak table or the exact shade of a linen sofa is displayed vibrantly, allowing the inherent beauty of your furnishings to take center stage. Sustainable serenity. The environmental harmony of LEDs. The philosophy of minimalism is deeply rooted in intentionality and the reduction of excess. This mindset naturally extends to our environmental footprint and energy consumption. Traditional incandescent bulbs are incredibly inefficient, converting the vast majority of their energy into heat rather than light. In contrast, LED technology is a marvel of energy conservation. Incorporating a comprehensive LED lighting setup into your small urban apartment aligns perfectly with the sustainable ethos of modern minimalism. LEDs consume a fraction of the electricity, boast lifespans that stretch for decades, and contain no toxic elements like mercury. By choosing LEDs, you streamline the visual aesthetic of your home while reducing your ecological impact and lowering utility costs. It is a harmonious approach where technological efficiency complements the desire to live simply and responsibly. Crafting the perfect luminous environment in a confined urban space requires deliberate planning and an appreciation for subtlety. By treating light as a core architectural component rather than an afterthought, you can completely transform the atmosphere of your home. Embracing concealed uplighting, utilizing slim integrated fixtures, defining open spaces with purposeful zones, and insisting on high CRI bulbs all contribute to a masterfully curated aesthetic. Ultimately, the best minimalist LED lighting setup for small urban apartments proves that true luxury is not found in decorative excess, but in the seamless, intelligent, and beautifully illuminated simplicity of your surroundings.